This is us playing Monopoly. Littlest Pet Shop Monopoly.
That one.
That's Stacy.
No, that's Chloe.
That's Chloe. That is Stacy. And that's Jason.
Show his butt off.
And that's me.
This is my money.
Okay. Crap.
Okay, so this is my money. This is Nick's money. That's Chloe's money. And give a clap.
Oh, Jason has so much money.
So what? You have okay, Jay. I'm broke.
Are you broke? How broke are you?
Here's the money.
Are you so broke you're bankrupt?
It's okay.
How does it feel being broke?
He feels like you're gonna punch him.
Can you still buy a junior chicken? Ew!
He still buy junior chicken and fries? Yeah, he's $1,000.
How do you feel with 1,000? Okay.
Let's do this again.
My money, Chloe's money, Stacy's money,
and bankrupt
Jason's money!
Wow, Jason's so desperate he steals my $5.
Yo, Jason.
He stole $1.
Yo, Jason.
Here, hobo.
Jason, here, I'll give you $1.
Here, I stole your $1.
I'll give you $1.
Here.
$1.
I gave $1.
Foundation.
Hobo Foundation. It's okay, Jay. High five.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye. See you later, alligator.
Peace out.